Good morning, everybody. My name is Richard Tony, and today I'm gonna explain you about my research project done in Colegio La Candelaria, Maranhão, Bolívar. The name of my project is Learning English and Meaningful Experience. This project was created because I found a really big problem with my students. The students for 5th grade in the school previously mentioned. And I looked for a way to resolve that problem, and I found something really interesting that I want to share with you today. Let's get started, okay? First off, we're gonna I'm gonna allow myself to read this abstract, okay? This project was made in order to create a new way of teaching, looking for strategies beyond education to turn students' learning into a meaningful one. Okay, the main objective when we are teaching something is that those students never forget about what they learned. That's what our goal, that's our objective, main objective in teaching. What happened here in this school? The teacher made an effort, a really big one, for them to understand the topic, many exercises, many examples, many situations, but at the end of the day, they forgot what they learned. And that's why I said to myself, I need to do something about this, and I started looking for ways to change that situation. This problem were this problem was found in 6th grade, but I'm pretty sure that many of the classrooms got the same one. So the students learned something today, and the day after they had forgotten everything. So I said, okay, let's make the learning be meaningful. How? Okay, let's start looking on the internet. I found something about meaningful learning from David Oswald that was really interesting. He got many theories about it, but the most important one I called it here in this slide. This is this is what I'm going to read now. Okay, people is always learning. When they combine what they learn by their own with the knowledge given at school, that's meaningful learning. Okay, I understood this in this way. Every person is learning according to the environment. In their daily life, they are seeing things, they are learning things from the environment, from the other people, from the friends, and those information is in their brains, in their minds. When they go to school, they combine those learnings, those that knowledge with the new one. When they miss, they create their meaningful learning. A simple example: they are buying food every single day at the store. They give money, they receive money, they count two two candies for this, and they receive a change. That situation, they are adding, but they are adding conscience of that. When they go to school and they see the teacher explaining, if you got this and plus this is this, they are gonna make a relationship between those knowledge. And that relationship is what David Oswald called meaningful learning. Okay, let's do that at school. To do it or to apply this with my students, the methodology I used was a new one. Okay, this is an experiment. It can be an experiment. It can work. Of course, it can work. So I call an expression, and it's pretty mine. The name is unconscious learning. This method is seen in when okay now 2 weeks ago when the elections were on, we saw that there were many advertisements everywhere, candidates, photos, message, numbers, even though we don't see those messages, we don't focus on that. All that information is in our brain. When it comes to voting, the candidate you remember the most is gonna be the candidate we're gonna choose in the election format. So we're gonna do this with students as well. How? Easy. We are gonna do it with in two ways. For example, the first one, when the students learn something by themselves, and then the teacher is explaining the same, they are gonna be, oh my God, I know this already. Oh, teacher, I'm gonna participate. I saw this on internet. I watched the video about it. So we got something that are the homeworks. The homeworks can be used to create meaningful learning, but the students must be on this because it depends only of them. The other methodology is at school with the activities with the classes. I'm gonna show you something that is one of the activities I made when I at school to create meaningful learning. Okay, look at the square here. This square got many phrases, but the biggest one is what is in the middle. Our rivers are polluted. Okay, because the topic today is about the environment. We are going to learn about the environment. So, what happened with the other letters, the little ones? They are there, and they apparently they are not doing anything. But the student's brain is recording all that information. What happened? The next topic is going to be about part of the body. When they or the teacher start to explain part of the body, they are going to make a relationship between what they are going to learn and what the brain kept from the previous class. That's something that is really interesting, but our brain is doing it every single day, and we don't know that. So this information, these tiny letters we can see here are gonna be kept in the student's brain. When they see these phrases written normally, they are gonna say, "Okay, has I have seen this before. I don't know where, but I have seen." This is gonna make the students learn in a meaningful way. Okay, to strategies, the homework, home, all this in the classroom. We're gonna see a real one. This was made at school with my students from 6th grade. First, in the explanation on the blackboard, the main topic, for example, here is giving directions. Pretty good. They are focused on that. But this letter reading with red marker are gonna be the experiment. These ones. And these letters are related to another topic. The topic they are gonna be learning in the future, next week, next month, I don't know. Okay, so this information is gonna be recorded by the brain, by the mind. Okay, this information. When they see this information in the future, they are gonna say, "Oh my God!" They are gonna say, "Oh my God, I saw this before, but this is like this and like this." And that's gonna be something amazing you can experiment with your students. With the activities, we can do the same. For example, here is a workshop where we can see the main topic is the given direction. What you see at first is the map and the questions. But there are many phrases, many words which are tiny. Apparently, we don't see it, we don't focus on that, but the brain is keeping that information. Okay? Always. Because our brain is powerful and that's what it does always with all the information we see around us. Okay? So this experiment could be valuable if we do it the right way. Okay? This is all for this presentation. Thank you for listening and I see you next time. Bye bye.